Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 6. This module we are working through symptoms and conditions. So once again, the readings kind of jump around the pages in the book, and we have three different verbs: ser, estar, and tener. So make sure you go over all of those. Under the readings, there's also some articles because we do have a discussion board this week, so make sure you read those. I also have posted here upcoming assignment field-specific project. So the field-specific project is due in Module 8. I don't want you to start doing it this week because we have a lot of other stuff to do this week. So I just want you to think about it because it's an interview and you want to start thinking about who you're going to interview. So don't get to Module 8 and you're like, I don't have anybody. So if you want to think about the timeline, it's like Module 6, you want to find the person that you're going to interview. Module 7, like, organize the interview, set it up, and then Module 8, actually do the interview and write up your paper about it. So again, I don't want you to do this week. Just read the information so that it's not a surprise when we get to Module 8 and you have some time to set up an interview with somebody. Okay, we have a bunch of stuff this week because we do have a discussion board, so make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday, and make sure that you read the articles that are posted. We have our speaking assignment and homework packet like always, and the quiz as well. So let me know if you have any questions, y nos vemos pronto.